First of all, I pay my humble obeisances unto the lotus feet of my Paramaradha Guru Pad Padma, Om Vishnu Pad, Paramahansa Swami, Ashtotara Sata, Sri Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Om Vishnu Pad, Paramahansa Swami, Ashtotara Sata, Sri Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. I pay my humble obeisances under the lotus feet of my spiritual grandsire, Srila Bhakti Pragyan, Keshav Goswami Maharaj, and Srila Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, and all Gaudiya Guru Vargas. Especially to the appearance day of Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur, I pay my humble obeisances to him, and disappearance day of Srila Gaur Govind Goswami Maharaj, I pranam to him also. I convey my Dandavat pranam, all Vaishnavas and Vaishnavi assembled here. Welcome as guests who present today to encourage me to speak some Hari Katha.
咁阿莫哈講經之前啦，首先啦係佢嗰個啟迪嘅靈性導師啦，啱啱莫哈啦，咁跟住咧就係啦，佢嘅當時嘅靈性導師啦，就我哋嘅 Good Day 啦，當然莫哈啦，咁跟住咧就係額外嘅師公啦，包括福建 K 蘇導師莫哈啦，跟住就係整個師徒傳師弟組，咁特別啦，今日咧就係啦，我哋嘅太師公啦，收生夫嘅嗰個現有嘅，咁跟住同埋咧就係嗰個應該莫哈 disappearance day 可能。
So prior to Prabhupada, almost all Vaishnava Acharyas, they was Gosthanandi, Bhajananandi. They used to their own bhajan. Prior to Prabhupada, Srila Narottam Thakur has started Gosthanandi. After him, Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur, very large scale he started Gosthanandi. Gosthanandi means he is doing bhajan himself and giving scope to others to do bhajan combined. This is a result that due to causeless mercy of Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur, we are assembled everywhere in the world.
咁唔好意思，因為播開嗰啲我唔係會聽得到。咁咧就係啦，係喺收生就會之前咧，以前咧嗰啲Vaishnava 咧，佢咧多數咧係自己做巴掌嘅，自己即係會係專注自己嘅靈修嘅。咁但係咧由收生就會開始啦，咁佢咧就除咗自己做靈修之餘咧，佢咧係會仲會比較到他人啦，咁就讓他人咧都一齊做靈修，就因為咧佢哋呢一班即係新思想嘅呢班Vaishnava啦，所以咧我哋今日咧先至可以咧係聚首一堂嘅。
After Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur, our spiritual grandsire Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, and our beloved Gurudev Srila Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj, they also preach as a Gosthanandi in the whole world.
咁除咗喺繼呢個收生特之後啦，咁跟住咧Swami Prabhupada啦，咁同埋咧我哋嘅 Good Day 啦、Narayan Maharaj 啦，佢哋亦都係啦自己靈修之餘啦，仲係啦周遊列國咁樣去講課嘅。
In Dwapar Yug, Vyasdev comment is wrote in his Padma Puran, Chutkale Purushottamat. In future, in Kali Yug, one very great Acharya will appear in Jagannath Puri. Utkal means Jagannath Puri.
咁喺呢個出 Yuga 嘅時候咧，咁已經咧係有預言啦，就話咧係將來呢個卡尼年代啦，就會有一位咧好偉大嘅Acharya啦、典範師啦，係喺 Jagannath Puri 嗰度顯現㗎。
Vyasdev was Saptavesh avatar, and for Vyasdev it mentioned Vyaso Narayanam Swayam. Narayan himself came in this world in form of Vyasdev. So what he predicted, it must be true one day.
咁轉南人啦，佢咧就係啦以巴蘇基嘅呢個形象啦，顯現喺呢個世界，所以佢所預言嘅咧一定會成真嘅。
Nobody knows that who will appear very great Acharya, very influential Acharya in Jagannath Puri.
咁冇人知道啦呢一位咧咁有影響力嘅咁偉大嘅典範師啦，咁顯現喺 Jagannath Puri 嘅啦係邊一位啦？冇人知道。
Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur was deputy magistrate in Jagannath Puri and he used to live very close to Jagannath Dev temple called Narayan Chhata.
咁北天永實夫啦，佢咧就係啦呢個Jagannath Puri 嗰個副首長嚟㗎。咁跟住咧佢咧嗰個屋企咧就好近呢個 Jagannath Puri 嘅其中一間廟
Narayan Chhata.
Narayan Chhata 呢間廟。
So, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur has so many children and his wife name was Bhagavati Devi.
咁北天永實夫啦，佢有好多細路仔㗎。咁佢個妻子啦叫做啦 Bhagavati Devi。
When Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur born in their house, in their family, it was very auspicious marks was visible on the whole body of Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur.
咁喺沙巴斯特顯現嘅時候啦，咁佢即係呢個初生嬰兒嘅身上面咧已經係睇到啦好多吉祥嘅徵兆㗎。
Like we are putting tilak every day. In Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur whole body was 12 part of the body was tilak marks automatic visible, and we are putting tulasi beads. The marks of tulasi bead 3 was on his neck, and moreover, like we are using sacred thread, Brahmanical thread, the umbilical cord was wrapped Prabhupada's body just like a Brahmanical thread.
咁奉獻者啦，每一日咧都會喺身上12個地方啦，咁係搽天藍啦，咁跟住咧我哋咧亦都係會戴頸珠㗎，咁跟住男婆羅門咧就有一條聖線啦，咁沙巴特夫一出世嘅時候啦，佢身上咧自動咧已經係顯現晒啲咁嘅即係印記㗎啦，咁條臍帶咧係好似條聖線咁樣翹住咗個 BB 㗎。
Seeing this, Prabhupada's mother, Bhagavati Devi, became surprised. I have beared so many child as before. I never seen this type of marks. Who is this boy?
咁當佢個媽媽見到呢個 BB 嘅時候咧，佢咧就話啦：我即係都見過好多嘅初生嘅嬰兒，但係咧我從來咧未見過咁樣嘅徵兆㗎。呢個細路係邊度嚟嘅咧？呢個係咩嘅人？
Prabhupada's mother, Bhagavati Devi, sent her maid to call Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Well, you have to come immediate.
咁北天永實夫嘅媽媽啦，咁嗰個沙巴斯特夫嘅媽媽咁Bhagavati Devi 啦，咁佢咧即刻咧就派個工人啦，就去叫北天永實夫個 BB 嘅爸爸即刻翻嚟。
Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur came and Bhagavati Devi showed all the auspicious marks. Bhaktivinoda Thakur became very happy and told to Bhagavati Devi, please listen, any liberated soul mercifully has come in our family, have to take special care of this baby.
咁咧，當Bhagavati Devi 啦同埋北天永實夫啦睇到一個初生嬰兒身上面嘅吉祥徵兆嘅時候啦，咁跟住兩個都好開心啊！咁跟住北天永實夫就話啦：你小心聽住啊！有一個解脫嘅靈魂咧已經係投生咗喺我哋屋企㗎，所以咧你都好好咁樣啦撫養呢個小朋友。
Like Srimati Radha Thakurani is eternal consort of Brajendranadan Shamsundar, Sita Devi is eternal consort of Lord Ramchandra, Vishnu Priya Devi eternal consort of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. The same way, Jagannath Dev's eternal consort name was Vimala Devi.
咁Radharani啦就係啦 Krishna Shamsundar 啦嗰個永恆嘅同遊永恆嘅嗰個伴侶啦，咁然之後啦 Sita Devi 啦就係啦主啱嘅永恆嘅伴侶啦，咁跟住Janvi 啦就係啦Nityananda Prabhu 咧嘅永恆嘅伴侶啦，咁同樣啦Chaitanya Mahaprabhu嘅伴侶咧永恆嘅伴侶咧就係啦 Vishnu Priya 嘅。
And Vimala Devi you told of Jagannath Dev?
Vimala Devi 就係
Jagannath Dev eternal consort.
eternal
Jagannath Dev's eternal consort is Vimala Devi. So, Bhaktivinoda Thakur told, due to costless mercy of Vimala Devi, this boy has come in our family, so his name will be Vimala Prasad. Vimala Prasad means mercy, Vimala means Vimala Devi, the mercy of Vimala Devi.
咁 北京嘅直官咧就話啦，佢話呢個小朋友咧就係咧因為咧 Bimala Devi 咧先至投生喺我哋屋企㗎，咁所以咧我就將佢咧即係叫佢做啦 Bimala Prasad，咁Prasad 嘅意思咧就係恩慈啊。
So Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur being like human being pastime is growing day by day and very beautiful, very handsome, very attractive. Whoever seen, all became attracted towards him.
收緊咧佢咧亦好似普通小朋友咁樣啦，上演佢嗰個凡人嘅逍遙時光啦。咁佢好靚嘅，好英俊㗎，然之後咧人見人愛咁，一日一日咁長大。
According to Vedic tradition, there are 10 impressions in human life. So one of called Annaprasan or first grain ceremony.
咁根據咧呢個咧韋陀嘅嗰個文化啦，咁然之後咧人嘅一生入面咧就有10個嘅即係類似啲即係啲靈性印象嘅儀式㗎。咁第一個咧就係咧第一啖嘅嗰個固體嘅食物。
We have seen the time of Gurudev physical pastime. Gurudev did first grain ceremony for so many boys and girls all over the world.
喺 Good Day 顯現嘅逍遙時光入面啦，咁我哋睇過即係Good Day 喺世界各地啦，都係為啲小朋友啦，即係履行呢個即係佢食第一口嘅穀物嘅嗰個儀式。
According to Vedic tradition, the male baby either 6 months or 8 months, or female baby either 5 months or 7 months. Then first grain ceremony took place.
咁男仔同女仔男女嘅即係嗰個 BB 啦，嗰個原來唔同嘅。咁男仔咧就係咧6個月啦，咁8個月啦，咁女仔咧就係咧5個月、7個月啦，咁就係食第一啖嘅呢個穀物嘅固體食物。
Sri Jagannath Dev every year going from Nilachal to Sundarachal. Nilachal denotes Dwarakapuri and Sundarachal denotes Vrindavan Dham. So Jagannath Dev every year going from Nilachal to Sundarachal. Nilachal denotes Jagannath Dwarakapuri and Sundarachal denotes Vrindavan Dham. So every year from Dwarakapuri to going Vrindavan Dham. Jagannath Dev, Gundicha Mandir. That is the cart festival.
咁每一年啊，咁主張人咧就會咧係由佢自己個廟啦，跟住咧去管啲長廟㗎，即係每一年都會咁樣行㗎。咁跟住張人本身嗰間廟咧就係咧代表啦Mathura啦，然之後咧管啲茶咧就係代表Vrindavan。
When the separation of Brajavasi, especially separation of Brajgopis, Jagannath Dev could not tolerate, then he make an excuse. Oh, I was sick for a long time, I want to go for a change. And he took permission from Bimala Devi.
咁當主張人啦見到啦，佢話曬居民啦，即係因為佢同佢分開咁傷心啊，跟住佢自己咧都即係好難去忍受啦，見到佢哋咁痛苦啊，咁跟住咧佢咧會揾啲藉口啦，跟住咧就話我唔舒服啊，想即係心情唔好啊，我想出去散心轉換下環境，咁於是佢咧就問準咗呢個Bimala Devi 之後啦，咁跟住咧就係會離開一陣嘅。
So Bimala Devi should not have any doubt. So Jagannath Dev took his elder brother Balaram and sister Subhadra Devi with him to go to Braj.
咁 Bimala Devi 咧，佢咧唔應該有任何嘅懷疑嘅，因為咧當時咧 Jagannath 咧係帶住咧佢自己嘅哥哥 Balaram 啦，同埋咧佢嘅妹妹啦 Subhadra 啦係一齊去嘅。
This journey of Jagannath Dev to Vrindavan Dham, this is cart festival or Jagannath Dev Rath Yatra.
咁呢個咧從Jagannath 咧就從佢自己嗰個廟啦，咁跟住 Jagannath 呢個聖地啦就翻去啦Vrindavan 呢個咁嘅旅程啊，咁咧就係叫做彈車節㗎。
During cart festival, sometimes Jagannath Dev is not so long distance, only few kilometers. Sometimes Jagannath Dev going same day, sometimes 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, living on the road. It depend on his own desire. None can move him an inch even nowadays.
咁咧其實成段嘅距離啦，兩間廟之間個距離咧唔係好遠嘅咋，幾千米嘅咋。咁但係有時咧就一日就可以行晒，有時咧就係咧幾日咧都係停喺同一個地點㗎。咁係視乎咧 Jagannath 自己嗰個意願。如果佢唔想行咧，係即係一日咧一寸都行唔到㗎。
Even time of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Central card became stopped. King Prataprudra became very worried. He engaged his military force. Even elephant, they could not move Jagannath Dev's cart an inch.
咁就算喺全體馬夫嘅逍遙時光入面啦，咁跟住咧嗰個皇帝咧，佢咧就帶住咧自己成大隊嘅人馬啦，跟住包括大將啦，想拉嗰個彈車啊，但係咧一寸咧都拉唔喐㗎。
Jagannath Dev's cart came and stopped in the front of Bhaktivinoda Thakur door of his house and not move an inch. None can move.
咁修仙塔官出咗世之後啦，咁有嗰年嘅彈車節，咁彈車咧就去到佢個門口咧，跟住咧就唔喐啦，停咗喺度。
3 days, Jagannath Dev was on the road in front of Bhaktivinoda Thakur house.
咁卒之咧個彈車咧就停咗喺咧巴天王塔官嘅門口3日唔喐。
Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur took his baby boy Bimala Prasad and climbed on the chariot, put his baby on the lotus feet of Jagannath Dev, and one garland dropped from Jagannath neck to baby's body.
咁跟住咧，巴天王塔官咧就抱住呢個Bimala Prasad 呢個 B B 啦，咁跟住咧就爬上個彈車啦，就擺咗喺咧 Jagannath 嗰個懷中啊，咁跟住咧有一個花環咧就剛剛咧就跌咗喺個 B B 上面。
This is very auspicious symptom. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur put that garland on baby's neck and taking sweet rice, did first grand ceremony, sitting on the chariot of Jagannath Dev in front of Jagannath Dev.
咁巴天王塔官咧就知道咧呢一個係一個好吉祥嘅徵兆啊，咁跟住咧佢就將嗰個花環咧戴喺 B B 身上啦，咁跟住咧直情咧坐喺Jagannath嘅懷中嗰度咧係食第一啖嘅嗰個固體食物㗎。
Who is doing government service, they have to transfer here and there, government not keeping in same place. So Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur from Jagannath Puri came to West Bengal with his whole family.
咁我亦都知道啦，巴天王塔官咧佢咧係一個政府官員嚟㗎，唔會話長期咧停喺同一笪地方㗎。咁跟住咧佢就要將成家人啦就帶住從烏兒嗰度咧就去咗啦呢個孟加拉。
When Prabhupada was 7 years aged boy, then Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur gave him Harinam Mahamantra and the mantra Kurmadev Drew Archan, because without initiation none can allow to do Archan or offer Bhog. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur gave him mantra Kurmadev. Archan is worship.
咁當巴天王塔官咧7、8歲嘅時候啦，咁跟住修仙塔都7、8歲嘅時候，咁跟住咧巴天王塔官咧就係啦，將嗰個哈丁啱咧傳授俾佢啦，咁跟住咧仲將阿長嗰個即係崇拜儀式嘅嗰啲曼陀傳授俾佢啊，因為咧如果冇正式傳授嘅曼陀啦，係唔可以咧做神像崇拜嘅。
So now Bhaktivinoda Thakur giving class in Jagannath Puri also and coming Bengal. When he was in West Bengal, Srila Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj used to come Harikatha to Bhaktivinoda Thakur.
咁跟住巴天王塔官咧，佢都有係講課㗎，咁喺杯嗰度有講啦，咁跟住就喺孟加拉嘅時候都有講啦。咁嗰個應得孟哈啦係經常啦係會參加啦，出巴天王塔官嘅講課嘅。
So Prabhupada heard from Bhaktivinoda Thakur and read in book, Bina Diksha Vihinasya Na Siddhi Na Sadgatim Tasmat Sarva Prajatnena Guruna Dikshita Bhaved. Without being initiated, none can achieve Krishna Prem. What to say about Krishna Prem? Not even get good destination. So Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur, his name was Bimala Prasad, later in his mind, I have to take initiation now.
咁修仙塔官啦，咁佢咧聽佢爸爸嘅講課啦，巴天王塔官嘅講課啦，咁同埋睇書入面咧就睇到啦，原來咧唔接受啟迪嘅話啦，你係唔會得到啦 Krishna Prem 㗎。我講話 Krishna Prem 啊，你咧連一個好嘅目的地都去唔到啊。咁於是咧佢當下咧就決定啦，我即刻咧就要咧接受呢個啟迪。
Seeing Srila Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj, Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur became so attracted towards him and told, I will take initiation from this liberated soul.
咁當修仙塔官咧一見到啦舒拉高古遠德莫哈嘅時候啦，咁即刻咧係受到佢吸引啦，咁跟住咧就話我要咧從呢個解脫嘅靈魂嗰度咧去接受啟迪。
So Prabhupada told to his father Bhaktivinoda Thakur, okay, you can approach him. Then Prabhupada pray to Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj, I want to take initiation from you.
咁沙星特夫咧就係對佢爸爸不通嗰陣特夫講，即係佢自己嘅心願啦。咁跟住爸爸就話好啊，你去揾佢咯。咁跟住沙星特夫咧就係啦對舒高古院都馬哈舒啦就係祈求佢啊。咁跟住就話我想咧從你嗰度接受啟迪啊。
Srila Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj told, oh, you are so learned scholar and already you have received the title that Siddhanta Saraswati. All the Bengal's astrologer, they gave title to Prabhupada Saraswati Bimala Prasad, the Siddhanta Saraswati. And moreover, you are the son of Bhakti Vinod Thakur. How I can give you initiation?
咁當時啦，嗰個 Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj咧就同佢講啦，你已經咧係北通院個仔啊，同埋咧所有嘅 Vaishnava 咧都係封你為啦呢個Saraswati was the title。
Siddhanta Saraswati。
Siddhanta Saraswati 啊，咁即係話咧佢咧係有齊晒啦，所有咧呢個結論嘅知識啊。咁既然係咁啊，我仲即係Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj佢非常之即係謙卑啦。佢話既然係咁，我邊有資格俾你啟迪你咧？
And not only that, Gaur Kishore Das Babaji told you are very learned scholar. One hand and other hand I am illiterate. How I can initiate you? But Prabhupada determined, no, I will take initiation only from you, no one else.
咁Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj咧亦都話啦，你咧係一個咧非常之博學嘅學者嚟㗎。咁你都將我比下去啊，我點能夠咧係俾啟迪你啦？咁但係咧沙啦非常之有決心，我淨係接受你嘅啟迪嘅啫，我唔接受其他人嘅啟迪㗎。
So Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj, seeing the determination of Bimala Prasad, he told, okay, I have to take permission from Gaur Nityananda Prabhu. If they permit me and allow me to initiate you, then I initiate you only, otherwise no way. Okay, no problem. When second day come for Harikatha, Bimala Prasad Saraswati, means Prabhupada asked, Prabhu, have you asked Gaur Nityananda Prabhu? Oh, I have forgot completely.
咁跟住咧，嗰個Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj啦，見到Bimala Prasad咁有決心啦，咁跟住咧佢哋就話好啦，但係咧我都要問盡啦，關於太先。咁如果佢哋肯咧，咁我就俾啟迪你啦。咁跟住當第二日啦，Bimala Prasad再嚟聽課嘅時候啦，咁就問佢Prabhu，你有冇問過嗰啲太啊？咁跟住咧Babaji咧就話我唔記得咗喎。
Few days, Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj avoided Prabhupada, not initiating. Then Prabhupada think in his mind, oh, something I must have to do by some activity by which his heart bound to melt and bound to initiate me.
咁跟住Bimala Prasad就係咁啦，等咗幾日啦，咁跟住咧佢咧就決定啦，佢知道如果我唔做啲嘢咧，佢一定咧係唔會俾啟迪我㗎。咁於是咧佢咧就係話我一定咧要做一啲舉動，咁然之後咧令佢好感動。咁如果唔係，我得唔到佢嘅啟迪㗎。
What Prabhupada did, he start Chandrayan Brata and Gogras Bhajan. Chandrayan Brata means Chandra means moon. From new moon is not visible. New moon towards full moon, one part, growing. And after full moon, the day of full moon, complete. After full moon, decreasing, new moon, nothing. The same way, Prabhupada, the new moon day, completely fasting, not taking any prasad. After new moon day, 1 bite, 2 bites, 3 bites, 3 morsel. By this way, up to full moon, 16 bites. Again, 15, 14, 13, decreasing, new moon, nothing. By this way, not taking full prasad, now became lean and thin.
咁跟住咧Bimala Prasad咧佢咧就做咗一個苦行啦。咁佢咧係根據咧嗰個月相然之後咧嚟即係決定咧食嘢嗰個分量㗎。咁由新月啦到滿月啦，中間2個星期啦，嗰個月亮咧係由即係一個黑嘅，完全睇唔到嘅，咁就越嚟越增大啦。咁然之後到滿月之後咧，到新月啦又越嚟越遞減啦。咁即係越缺咁樣啦。咁跟住咧，當新月嘅時候佢就乜嘢都唔食。咁然之後第二日咧佢就食一啖。咁 跟住咧第3日就再食2啖咁一路遞增，咁然之後咧到滿月嗰日咧，佢咧就開始遞減。
And Gogras Bhajan means go means cow. Cow has no hand like us. The cow is to eat by mouth. So Prabhupada, he put his prasad on the floor and eat like this, keeping his hand back and eat. And cow is to drink water going on the river and other pond. In the same way, Prabhupada will go to Ganges, going there he'll drink water like this.
咁跟住同埋咧Srila Prabhupada咧就另外咧就好似咧另外一個苦行咧就好似牛咁樣食嘢同埋飲水啊。咁牛咧就冇我哋咁樣手即係食嘢啦。咁佢咧就係將自己嘅 prasad 咧係擺喺地下嗰度嘅直情。咁跟住將隻手擺喺後面啦。咁跟住咧就咁食。咁然之後咧就去河邊啊池塘嗰度飲水，好似啲牛咁。就咁每一日咧佢咧就會行河嗰度飲水。
Seeing this condition, and he became slim and slimmer. So one day Bhaktivinoda Thakur asked to Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj, "Oh Babaji Maharaj, what is the duty of a Vaishnava towards living soul?"
咁跟住當北天永特夫啦見到啦三分特夫啦係越嚟越瘦嘅時候啦，咁跟住咧佢咧就忍唔住啦，佢嘅手去啦問Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj啦，佢話呢個 Vaishnava 對呢啲眾生應該抱持啲乜嘢嘅態度㗎？
Then Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj replied, "Jive daya, mercy towards living soul." Bhaktivinoda Thakur told, "Do you not think my son is a living soul? Why not initiating him?" When Bhaktivinoda Thakur told, next day Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj initiated Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur.
咁跟住咧，當時咧嗰個 Kishore Das Babaji 咧，佢咧就即刻話佢話咧要善待眾生啦。咁北天永特夫就話：咁我個仔唔係眾生咩？咁跟住當嗰個 Kishore Das Babaji 一聽到嘅時候咧，第2日咧就即刻啦係啟迪咗咧Saraswati Thakur 嘅。
After initiation, Prabhupada start chanting holy name every day 192 rounds, mean 3 lakhs of name, and completed 1 billion holy name.
咁當佢咧當Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada咧一接受咗啟迪之後啦，咁佢每一日咧係即刻咧係唱3粒㗎，192圈㗎，咁跟住咧係好快咧就完成咗啦，係1個億嘅呢個聖名啦。
So after completing his 1 billion holy name, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu with his all associate like Sriman Nityananda Prabhu, Advaita Acharya Prabhu, Gadadhar Pandit, Srivas Pandit and other associate, they appeared in front of Prabhupada and told, "You have to start preaching now."
咁當佢完成咗咁大數量嘅聖名嘅時候啦，所有其他馬哈布嘅同遊啦，Advaita Acharya啦，跟住啦 Nityananda Prabhu 等等啦，咁跟住咧全部咧係顯現晒喺Saraswati Thakur面前啦，跟住就同佢講：你而家可以去傳教㗎啦。
Prabhupada told, "I am alone. How I can preach? For preaching needed manpower. I have no manpower. How I can preach?" Mahaprabhu told, "Don't worry, I am sending so many people to you." So who came to Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur? Mahaprabhu sent direct them to Prabhupada. That means they are eternal associate of Prabhupada and eternal associate of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Divine Couple.
咁Saraswati Thakur咧就回答其他馬哈布啦，佢話啦我得自己一個人點傳教啊？傳教需要好多嘅人力嘅喎。咁其他馬哈布就話唔怕㗎，我會咧我會派啲人俾你㗎。咁跟住所以咧Saraswati Thakur嘅同遊咧全部咧都係咧其實係馬哈布嘅同遊啦，咁同埋咧係神聖愛侶嘅同遊嚟㗎。
While Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur doing preaching and living in Mayapur, one day Ganga over flooded. None can understand where is deep water, where is shallow water. There is no way to come. One day early morning, Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj came to Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur in Brahma Muhurta. Prabhupada asked Gurudev, "How you came here so flood?" "Oh, one small boy hold my hand and bring here and bring to you." And Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj was blind. Prabhupada surprised. That means Mahaprabhu himself or Krishna himself brought his associate to meet with his disciple Saraswati Thakur.
咁當沙拉提夫啦喺孖日部傳教嘅時候啦，咁有一日啦，朝頭早係3、4點，凌晨3、4點嘅時間啦。咁跟住當時咧係反濫㗎，恒河反濫啊！你根本就分唔到邊度係水深水淺㗎。咁當時咧嗰個 Kesadas Babaji 咧，佢係盲㗎嘛。咁但係咧佢就突然間咧係出現咗啦喺沙拉提夫面前喎。咁跟住佢當沙拉提夫見到 Buddha 嘅時候咧，佢好驚訝啦！點解你會嚟咗呢度㗎？你點樣嚟㗎？跟住佢就話有一個咧小朋友帶住我嚟㗎。咁原來咧就係Mahaprabhu 啦，或者咧係 Krishna 本人啦，係帶住咧佢嗰個同遊啦去見佢個門徒㗎。
Once Prabhupada asked Gaurkishore Das Babaji Maharaj, "Oh Gurudev, order me, I want to publish some Rasa Grantha." Guru said, "No, keep Rasa Grantha for your own. If you publish unqualified person, they will be out of line and they will do so many nonsense things, so no need to publish."
咁有一次啦，咁沙拉提夫咧就係咧對嗰個 Kesadas Babaji Maharaj 就講啦，佢話啦Gurudev我想咧係印一啲啦係關於啦呢個情月嘅嗰啲即係情月嘅嗰啲書啊，咁Krishna 同鬼人之間嘅嗰啲情月嘅書，咁跟住咁Kesadas Babaji Maharaj 咧就話唔好，因為咧如果你即係印普通人睇咗之後啦，佢哋如果唔係屬於呢個傳系未夠資格嘅話啦，咁佢咧會係做好多啦，即係好荒謬嘅嘢㗎，所以千祈唔好。
Srila Gaurkishore Das Babaji Maharaj ordered Prabhupada, don't go to Calcutta, place of Koli. But Prabhupada first established his Gaudiya Math in Calcutta, Bagbajar.
咁原來咧佢嘅 Gurudev 啦，嗰個 Kesadas Babaji 啦，佢咧係命令過啦，沙拉提夫咧就千祈咧就唔好去咧係卡利嘅女神嘅嗰個地方啊，嗰、個地盤啊，即係Calcutta 嗰度啦，雞角塔嗰度啦。咁但係咧沙拉提夫佢第一間建立嘅廟咧就係喺雞角塔。
So how we can reconcile then Prabhupada is ignoring his Gurudev's order? Why first establish a mott in Calcutta?
咁既然咧Gurudev 咁樣嗌佢啊，咁但係咧沙拉提夫咧表面上咧好似咧係違背佢 Gurudev 嗰個訓示啊，咁我哋咧點樣協調呢一點咧？
Srila Gurudev told that Prabhupada Sasthakur knows the heart of Gaurkishore Das Babaji very well more than anyone. So Gaurkishore Das Babaji want to say him that first we have to deliver the fallen soul of Calcutta who is too much engaged in Kali. So he established mott there and start preaching there.
咁Gurudev 咧嘅解釋咧就係啦，沙拉提夫咧佢咧係比任何人都清楚咧佢 Gurudev 呢個 Kesadas Babaji Maharaj 嘅心意㗎。佢越想咧佢嘅門徒啦，首先咧係消除呢個Calcutta 雞角塔咧嗰啲即係墮落嘅人嗰啲咁嘅即係錯誤嘅觀點謬論等等啦，所以咧就要佢喺嗰度咧先建立廟，然之後大力傳教。
So Krishna told to Arjuna for the whole world, Jatasya dhruvo mrityu dhruvang janma mritasya cha. Whoever taken birth in this world, one day will die. So if a liberated soul coming in this world, they are also departing from this world.
咁Krishna 喺呢個梵歌入面啦，就係借Arjuna啦係向世人宣告啦，任何人咧喺呢個世上出生咧都會死㗎。咁然之後嗰啲解脫嘅靈魂啦，佢嚟到呢個世界啦，有朝一日咧都會離開嘅。
Srila Gaurkishore Das Babaji Maharaj used to tell, "Oh, I am so fallen, I cannot do bhajan. So after my departure, put one rope on my leg and drag me all over Navadvip Dham. Then my body will be mixed with the dust of Dham, then my life will be successful."
咁Kesadas Babaji Maharaj啦，咁佢咧就成日都講啦，佢話咧我咧就太過墮落啦，我做唔到咧定性專注㗎，所以咧我死咗之後啦，你哋咧喺我隻腳嗰度啦綁條繩啦，然之後咧將我咧係即係喺呢個Navadvip聖地嗰度即係拖行拖住我個聖體嚟行咁跟住就等我嘅身體啦就係融入呢個Navadvip嘅土地
So one day, Srila Gaurkishore Das Babaji Maharaj has departed from this world. the Navadip Babajis, they arrange some rope to tie on his leg and want to drag in the alley of Navadip. Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur came to know this fact and he appeared there with so many of his disciples on the spot.
咁跟住有一日咁喺嗰個 Kesudas Babaji Maharaj 離世嗰日啦，咁跟住咧就拉啲嗰啲 Babaji 咧就真係佢哋咧就真係想咧係綁住佢個聖體隻腳啦，咁然之後咧想拖佢喺呢個拉啲度行啊，咁但係沙塞特夫巴魯巴一知道之後咧，就帶住好多嘅人啦，咁即刻咧係嚟到咧嗰個現場。
So now Prabhupada came, he told only I am disciple of Babaji Maharaj, no one is disciple, only I am only alone disciple. This is my monopoly. And this is right, reserved for me. I will take his body and take him to Mayapur. The Babaji said, no, we are his disciple, not allow him to touch you.
咁跟住沙塞特夫咧就講啦，佢話咧我咧係Srila Kesudas Babaji Maharaj 咧唯一嘅門徒，所以咧係我咧係有權咧去全權負責呢件事。我而家咧就要將佢嘅聖體咧帶翻去馬耶普，但係咧嗰啲Babaji唔肯，佢話我哋都係佢嘅門徒，咁雙方咧就爭持不下。
So some quarrel started. Then somebody from police came to settle the matter.
咁跟住咧兩班人咧就喺度拗啦，咁卒之咧有啲人咧就係通知個警察啊，咁警察嚟到啦，係咧調解咗整件事㗎。
Prabhupada told, I am only his disciple. From my birth, I am maintaining celibacy. If any one of you never do any illicit sex, then touch my Gurudeva's body. Even last 1 year, even 6 months, even 1 month, even 15 days, even by mind not think any lady, even last night, come and touch Gurudeva's body. Otherwise, you'll turn into ashes. Hearing this, all became very scared. One after another, going back. In few minutes, no one is there. Then Prabhupada ordered his disciples, take his transcendental body and bring it to Mayapur and the bank of Ganges, put Samadhi.
咁跟住當沙塞特夫啦，咁跟住佢咧就係講啦，我咧係終生嘅精修生嚟嘅。咁然之後咧，你哋在座有邊一個係喺1年之內、6個月之內、1個月之內、15日之內，甚至係琴晚完全冇諗過女人嘅，冇同即係冇啲即係非婚嘅呢個性生活嘅話啦，你哋咧就可以咧過嚟啦，掂我呢個孤悲嘅靈體，你哋可以帶走佢。咁跟住咧，慢慢啲人咧就逐個走晒啊，跟住咧冇晒人啦。咁跟住沙塞夫咧就係同佢嗰啲門徒咧就係咧帶住啦嗰個 Kesudas Babaji 嘅靈體咧就係翻去恒河邊，就將佢咧擺喺 Samadhi。
Now Prabhupada preaching, all the Smarta Brahmin, they became very upset. Prabhupada very boldly preaching. At that time, they have idea who has taken birth in Brahmin family, they are Brahmin, and what Brahmin will tell everybody have to follow. But Prabhupada was dead against of this because it's not mentioned in the scripture.
咁當時咧，巴布巴佢傳教咧係非常之佢係非常之大力咁傳教啦。咁佢其中一個所傳揚嘅要點咧就係咧，當時嗰啲世襲嘅婆門咧就覺得咧佢哋個地位咧係高在上嘅，佢哋所講嘅嘢咧所有人都要聽。咁但係巴布巴咧就係咧大力反對呢一點㗎，因為咧經典入面咧從來冇提過要咁樣做。
Once there was a debate in West Bengal, district Midnapur village Balighai, that have to establish who is Brahman and who is Vaishnava. Then Bhaktivinoda Thakur sent Prabhupada along with some Goswami of Radharaman temple and some few more with him.
咁跟住有一次咧喺條村入面啦，佢有一個辯論啦，咁跟住咧就係咧要即係將婆門啦同埋咧Vaishnava嘅定義啦，就係咧講得清清楚楚。咁跟住咧沙塞特夫巴布巴咧佢咧就係咧派咗呢個關門南廟嘅入面咧其中幾個嘅人啦，幾個嘅奉獻者過去啦。
In beginning, Prabhupada glorifying Brahmanas, that Brahmana Varnanam Guru, Brahman is the Guru of all Varnas, and Brahman Bhusur, they are like demigods. So many examples Prabhupada gave. Even the Smarta Brahmin does not know so many shastras. Glorify Brahmin so nice way. All became surprised. Oh, he's preaching for us. Very nice boy.
咁跟住咧，薛巴巴一開始講嘅時候咧，咁咧即刻咧係讚揚啦，婆羅門咧就係咧成個呢、個即係嗰個社會階級面咧係最高㗎啦。咁然之後咧就等等啦，咁跟住咧佢咧就係講咗好喺經典入面咧係引經據典，然之後講咗好多咧係讚揚婆羅門嘅説話。咁嗰啲婆羅門就覺得好驚訝，佢係為我哋講嘢嘅喎，咁有好多要點，甚至佢哋自己都唔知㗎。
Like a cobra, snake, very dangerous, very poisonous. But baby cobra not less poisonous, less dangerous. So Prabhupada looked like a boy in their eyes. Now Prabhupada refute the Brahmanism.
咁即係毒蛇，對於毒蛇啦，咁佢嘅毒咧唔會因為咧佢係一條即係 B B 嘅毒蛇啦，嗰、個毒素咧就係減少㗎，唔會㗎。咁喺嗰啲婆羅門眼中啦，雙巴爸爸咧只不過咧係一個即係小朋友啫，但係佢而家咧就開始啦係展現佢自己嗰個力量啦，就係、將嗰啲婆羅門一路以嚟咧世襲嗰啲咁嘅唔係好啱嘅嗰啲咁嘅概念啦，係全部係斬除㗎。
Prabhupada told who is Brahmin, now have to know. Janmayad jayate sudra sanskara dijocate ved pathad bhaved vipra brahma janati brahmana. Whoever taken birth in this world, all are Sudra. Because to produce children of Brahmin or Sudra is same technique. So all are Sudra.
咁跟住巴爸咧就係講啦，佢話咧即係所有喺呢個世界出生嘅人咧，其實咧都係殊陀Sudra啦係最低嘅嗰個勞工嘅階層啦，因為咧婆羅門也好，呢、個勞工階層也好啦，佢哋生兒育女嘅嗰啲過程其實都係一樣㗎，所以咧其實所有人都係咧呢個勞工嘅階層嚟。
After first is biological birth. After that, when their sacred ceremony, have to pass the ceremony, then called Dija. Di means two, Ja means birth. First was biological birth, then Savitra birth. First biological birth.
Yes.
When sacred ceremony, then second birth.
咁
It's
咧。
called Dija.
咁首先啦，你即係每個人咧都有媽媽生我哋出嚟啦，咁呢個係第一次嘅出生啦。咁然之後咧，第二次咧就係咧帶呢個婆羅門聖線啦。咁呢一個咧就係咧 Dija 叫做第二次嘅出生。
And after that, Ved Pathad Bhaved Vipra. After sacred ceremony, when that Brahman boy will read Veda, then he called Vipra.
咁跟住啦，接受咗婆羅門聖線之後啦，咁佢開始咧睇《維陀經》啦。咁呢個時候咧就叫做咧 Vipra。
And that Vipra, after doing bhajan, realized God and serving Bhagavan, then called Brahman, not before that.
咁咧呢個 Vipra 咧呢個小朋友佢除咗睇呢個《維陀經》之外啦，咁佢咧仲要咧去覺唔到神係邊個啊，咁跟住咧就係做靈性專注啊。咁如果咁樣先至咧算係一個婆羅門㗎。如果未達到呢個階段咧，都唔算㗎。
Then Prabhupada told, Brahmananang sahasrebbo satrajaji visisate satrajaji sahasrebbo sarva vedanta paraga. In this slok, Prabhupada told that out of 1,000 Brahmin, one is qualified to do Satra Yajna, some type of fire sacrifice.
咁跟住巴爸就引用一個詩節去講啦，佢話咧喺數以千計嘅婆羅門之中啦，得一個咧係有資格咧做啲火祭嘅。
Out of 1,000 Satrajaji Brahman, then one of them became very qualified to know about all Vedas.
咁然之後咧喺啲數以千計啦做火祭嘅婆羅門之中啦，咁得一個咧係有資格啦係了解啦所有嘅維陀經嘅。
About 10 millions, about this type of Vipra, one is Brahmin.
咁然之後咧喺10萬個啦，呢啲啦係對好即係熟知維陀經嘅人之中啦，咁得一個咧先至係咧叫做真正嘅婆羅門嘅。
Among all Brahmins, Vaishnava is topmost. By this established the glory of Vaishnava, top of the Brahman's head.
咁然之後咧喺得幾十萬嘅呢種嘅旁門之中啦，咁只有咧呢個Vaishnava啦，咁就係咧先至係咧最頂尖㗎。咁巴魯巴咧就係直至咧一步一步啦咁確立咗啦呢個 Vaishnava 嗰個重要性啊。
And he give more example from scripture. Then all became very happy. Vaishnava became victorious. Brahmin became defeated by Prabhupada.
咁跟住巴魯巴佢仲係仲入邊佢點講咗好多嘅例子啦。咁咧所有嘅Vaishnava都好開心啦。咁但係咧啲旁門咧就係咧即係冇聲出啦，佢個論點係全部係即係因為係有證據㗎。
Then all want to come take Prabhupada feet dust. But the Radharaman Vaishnava told no. Thousands of people, how can come? He will be sick. So they want to wash his feet, want drink feet bath water, touch his feet. So the Radharaman Goswami arranged one big pot and wash Prabhupada's feet. Prabhupada doesn't like, well, no. Otherwise they'll harass you. And wash his feet and all coming taking Charanamrit from there.
咁跟住所有嘅人咧都想咧就近巴魯巴咧就係咧摸佢個蓮花，得到佢蓮花嘅足下塵土，但係咧佢唔中意啊。咁跟住咧卒之咧就係咧安排咗啦係因為如果咁多人靠近佢咧係驚佢即係會生病啊。咁跟住卒之就係安排咗咧個沐足嘅儀式啦。咁跟住就分咗沐足水俾所有嘅人。
Later on, from Prabhupada this lecture, one book has been published in Bengali named Brahman Vaishnava. Some part of that book in Gurudev lecture has published in Gurudev biography, second volume.
咁跟住巴魯巴呢一場嘅講課裏面啦，咁就係出咗一本書啊，後來叫做Brahman Vaishnava 㗎。咁跟住就 Gurudev 嘅嗰個自傳嘅第二輯嗰度咧，亦都係咧包括咗書入面嘅部分嘅內容。
So when they came back, Bhaktivinoda Thakur became very happy, and Prabhupada glory spreading day by day so much. So all Smarta Brahman became very angry, and somehow or other have to kill this Prabhupada.
咁當巴魯巴成功傳教翻嚟啦，咁跟住巴魯巴佢覺得佢好開心啊。咁然之後咧佢所以巴魯巴而家佢嗰個聲明啦，就係即係所有人都知㗎。咁跟住咧，嗰啲世襲嘅旁門咧就好嬲呢個人，就決定咧係密謀咧要殺死佢。
The Smarta Brahman's idea, no rahega bas, no bajegi basuri. If there is no bamboo, there is no possibility of flute. So if there is no Prabhupada, no preaching. So first have to kill him.
咁跟住孟加拉又即係佢有一句説話啦，就係啦，即係你即係好似蛇無頭不行咁樣啦。咁你如果咧殺咗巴魯巴咧，就唔會有傳教㗎啦。
Like Navadvip Parikrama going to start, who have traveled to India time of Gurudev Deep Parikrama, they know how big crowd. So Prabhupada is doing Navadvip Parikrama, and party arrived in town Navadvip, city Navadvip, Praudamayatala, one place called Praudamayatala, place of Jogmaya Devi.
咁當時咧，如果我哋參加過Gurudev 咧嗰個Navadvip嘅朝聖啦，我哋都知道啦，嗰個朝聖者個數量係好多㗎。咁當時三一特夫咧就係咧帶住咧好多嘅朝聖者啦，咁就去到咧Navadvip嘅市鎮嗰度，咁就去到Yogamaya嘅廟嗰度啊。
All Smarta Brahmin, they are ready as before, will kill here. So they throwing bricks, stones, stone chips, glass bottle, soda bottle, and attack the whole party.
咁啲世襲嘅婆羅門咧就已經咧喺呢個地方嗰度咧係等住咧三夫嚟啦，咁跟住咧就係準備向佢掟石頭磚頭跟住啲玻璃樽咁等等咧係要殺死佢㗎。
All devotees run away here and there to save their own life. No one thinking about Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur. Our beloved Param Gurudev, at that time his name was Vinod Bihari Brahmachari, quite white cloth. He took Prabhupada, entered somebody's house.
咁跟住當時咧，佢奉獻者咧就各自逃命啦，就冇人咧係記掛起啦Saraswati Thakur啦。咁我哋嘅師公啦，當時佢個名咧就叫做Vinod Bihari Brahmachari嘅。咁佢咧就係將啦Saraswati Thakur咧就帶咗去其中一個奉獻者嘅屋企嗰度。
Param Gurudev told, "Oh Prabhupada, you have to change your cloth with me. They know your name, they don't know your face. They know you are sannyasi, so change your sannyas cloth with me, If they kill me, no problem. If they make any harm for you, there will be big loss for the whole world. Prabhupada told, no, never I change cloth with you.
咁跟住我嘅師公咧就係啦，同三姑講啦，佢話啦，Good day，你同我換衫啦，因為嗰啲人咧就係知道啦你個名，但係咧從來冇見過你個樣㗎，咁佢知道你係Sannyas，咁但係咧即係都唔知你係邊個㗎，咁我哋換咗衫之後，即係你就安全㗎啦。如果我死咗唔緊要啦，如果你死咗嘅話啦，呢個係全世界嘅損失嚟㗎。
Prabhupada denying and further insisting no. So Paramurudev by force he changed his cloth, and Prabhupada with quite white cloth came out from this house and went to Mayapur. Nobody recognized him because a sannyas dress, saffron cloth, danda. So one white cloth person going, who can understand? None can understand.
咁最初咧，巴爸咧係唔肯㗎，咁但係咧最後尾啦，師公係夾硬即係換咗啲衫落嚟啦，咁佢就係咁樣着住三分就係得咁安全地着住白衫啦，就係得翻咗去馬耶普，因為如果佢冇攞住嗰個即係嗰個聖像冇着住Sannyas服嘅話，咁行出街咧，啲人根本就唔知佢嘅身份㗎。
That place was Prabhupada means Jogamaya Devi. Jogamaya Devi inspired Paramurudev to change cloth, and Prabhupada went without any difficulty. He reached in Mayapur in safe.
因為當時咧佢換衫個地點咧就係啦Yogamaya Devi 嘅一個地點嚟㗎，個廟嚟㗎，嗰個地點啦。咁跟住咧，所以咧係Yogamaya Devi 咧佢咧係啟發師公啦，咁咧就係咧同佢換衫，咁跟住收咧就係咧咁樣咧安全啦，翻咗去馬耶普。
After some time, police came